Talisman Wallet Installation Guide.
Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Talisman wallet and use it with the Liberland blockchain application. We are here on talisman.xyz. Talisman is a multi-chain wallet. It comes as a browser extension and it is incredibly useful and pretty easy to use. So here on talisman.xyz, which is Talisman's homepage, we have this handy download button that will automatically check which browser you're using and take you to the appropriate web store. Here we're on the Chrome web store. Opera is a Chromium-based browser, and we can add to Opera. So I'm going to install that, add the extension, and the installation is complete. It's that easy. So let's walk through the installation process here. You can see it supports Ethereum and Polkadot networks, other chains as well, including Liberland blockchain. So we're going to get started. We need to set a password. I'm going to set a nice simple password for now, just for demonstration purposes. You have a privacy policy to agree to. I'm going to agree to it. And now we have a nice little welcome screen. So an account has not been made yet. I'm going to make a new account. And here you need to select a new Polkadot account because Liberland blockchain is based on the same technology as Polkadot. We need to name the account. Click create. A reminder here that we're going to get a recovery phrase, what to do with it, what not to do with it. I'm going to eliminate this as soon as this demo is done, so I don't particularly care what the passphrase is. All right, so I'm going to hit done, and now I have a new account, and it's named Talisman Demo, which is what I named it. Now that I have this new account, I need to enable Liberland blockchain manually. So I went to the settings tab. I'm going to go to networks and tokens, manage networks, and I'm going to search for LIB, and there it is, Liberland blockchain. And maybe because of some settings I previously had, that's already enabled. Normally you would have to enable this manually, but that's on. I don't need Ethereum, Sonic, Base, Bifrost, or some of these other ones. I'm going to turn those off for visibility's sake. All right, that should do it. And I don't have any tokens in this wallet, so it's not going to show me any tokens here. Now I can visit blockchain.liberland.org. And if I'm just going to refresh this, and now Talisman is asking me if I want to connect to the Liberland blockchain dashboard. So I choose the account and I hit connect. And here I can select my specific wallet and I'm ready to go. Now I can load up my wallet with LLD, Liberland Dollar, with Liberland Merits, LLM, and start to engage with the Liberland blockchain dashboard with the finances, with NFTs. If I'm a citizen, I can engage with politics. I can create contracts on chain. I can start a company if I have e-residency, etc. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about Talisman specifically, you can contact their team for support. If you're having issues with the Liberland blockchain dashboard, please visit our Telegram or Discord communities so that a community manager can help you.